exported to more than 120 plus countries and regions, and it is well appreciated by our customers. And doing Holdings pride itself on obtaining a number of Unity model patterns and innovation patterns, boasting tremendous technological strengths. Our independent technical R&D team has professional manufacturing and service capabilities to provide customers with personalized equipment solution and full cycle services. And yeah, how about let me show you some detailed information about this company. Belongs to the starch, flour, and Garri business company, which is called Henan Jinrui. Our company is basically located in Henan province, China, but we do have our overseas office, which is in Nigeria, Sagamu, Lagos, and Nigeria. And in that place, we do have our own workshop, we do have our own warehouse, and our own office. So if you are doing the business around the Nigeria nearby countries or the nearby cities, easily contact with us. Henan Jinrui Food Engineering Company, it is a subsidiary company of Doing Holdings, is a comprehensive starch and flour processing manufacturer, integrated technological design, research and development, and machine production, sales, and after-sales service. Yeah, welcome to the live stream. This is Oliver, all right? Yeah, I get you guys can hear about the voice, right? All right, so for our business, we can provide all types of production line and single equipment, including cassava starch processing machine, cassava sweet cassava starch processing machine, yam starch processing machine, cassava flour processing machine, yam flour processing machine, fufu flour processing machine, Garri processing machine. All of it we can provide you guys. And Henan Jinrui not only possesses an independent technology R&D team who have obtained a number of utility model patents and invention patents, but also the professional manufacturing. But also the professional manufacturing team and after-sales team also guarantee you the product quality and user experience. Besides, we have the branch office and overseas warehouse in Nigeria, Africa, to provide you customer convenience for picking up machines from warehouse directly. And I mean, if you do have any questions, or if you do want to know more detailed information for our company, you can just directly say something in the comment, let me know. Henan Jinrui never stops to seek for development since its establishment. We always adhere to our quality principle. The level of our machinery manufacturing technology constantly to provide our customers new process, new technology, and new products with higher standards and quality. Up to now, our products have sold more than 30 countries and regions around the world, winning great prizes and trust of our customers all over the world. And discovering of technique frontier leave poverty behind people's livelihood. That is our slogan. So if you guys want to know more, just easily let me know. All right, so let's check about our, since today's topic is about the large-scale Garri processing machine, so let's check about it for our machines. All right, so this one it is basically about our cassava tubers, and let's check about the factory direct sales fast delivery professional R&D team. And over here you guys can see this is the whole workshop. Like this is how we do for the Garri processing business, like Garri fryer, crusher, peeling machine, belt conveyor, grinding machine, fermentation, and also hydraulic presser. We also have it in stock, and all of the equipment over here we produce it by ourselves. And I mean, there's no middleman over here. So this is the final products. We normally call it like a yellow Garri. And for large-scale Garri processing machine, mainly adopts advanced Garri processing technology to help people process cassava into Garri quickly and in a really high efficient way. So if you do interested about that, contact with us immediately. So for later, I will show you guys about the 3D videos, like how we do the fermentation, like how we do this whole plant. So if you're curious, just stay here. Option 1, it is about small scale Garri production line. You guys can check. We do have the cassava peeler, about the cassava grater, hydraulic press, Garri fryer, vibration sieve. It is all of the equipment. It is produced by ourselves, and later I will basically show you guys every information over here. So what happened with the video for this one? It is not moving at all. I think there is something wrong with this one. Hold a second, let me change about another one. Hey, welcome to the live stream, ladies and gentlemen. If this is your first time coming here, do give me the subscribe so that next time when we do a live stream you will be noticed. And this is Oliver from Doing Holdings. We can provide you guys about the Garri processing line. Yeah, I think it is better. It is moving it. Alright, so let's keep checking for and also we do have the packaging machine for the Garri, for the whole pack of Garris. And option 2, we do have a large-scale Garri production line, which is about the main purpose for today's live stream. First of all, we do have the dry sieve, and later I will show you about the real videos and about the real feedback from our provider customers. So the first one, it is dry sieve, mainly to remove about the dry, big impurities like the leaves, like the limbs, or some bigger impurities. You can basically see through it by your own eyes. And second, we do have the paddle washing machine. This one we can also call like a paddle washer. And the function for this machine is about to use it to wash our cassava tubers thoroughly and remove about the mud and sand in a really high efficient way. And also we do have about this peeler. You guys can check over here. This peeler is to peel off the skins for the cassavas. After peeling it, I mean for this machine it is peeling and washing at the same time, so do not worry about the final quality for the cassava tubers. And then we do get the hydraulic press, which is mainly about to press all of the raw material into the cassava for the Garri shape. And then we got the hammer crusher to do the dewatering, like remove the water content. And then we do have the hydraulic press, hammer crusher, I mean the fryer, and Garri fryer. And also the last machine is also about our packaging machine. And this is also for the Garris. I mean the above options are just a few of the common whole options. In addition to here, Nigerian company can customize different type of high quality Garri production line plan according to customers' needs. And please leave a message or call us directly to tell us your specific needs and get the latest about the quotation. So yeah, let's see about some of the provider cases. And this is Garri processing plant project cases. And this one is about the dry sieve. You guys have already checked about the pictures that I show above. This is a dry sieve, so basically all of the impurities will automatically drop at the bottom. You can easily collect them by set a garbage bin or set a plastic bag at the bottom part. And yeah, this is all about our projects. For the vibration sieve, for the flash dryer, for the peeler, and for the packaging machine, for the bell conveyor, is all about our equipment. And for the cassava starch and cassava flour processing plant, these are the pictures. We can also provide you guys about the equipment. Our company started to do the starch businesses 2011. So basically, so far we got more than 13 years experiences to provide you guys the equipment. So no matter what kind of equipment or how big is your capacity, what kind of the big capacity equipment if you want to get, you can just easily put it in the comment. And this one, it is our cassava starch and cassava flour processing line. This is about the whole workshop. And yeah, we can provide you guys about the 3D videos later. Check about it. This is also another project. It is set in Malaysia, I believe, if I remember it correctly. Yeah, you guys can easily contact with us by using the WhatsApp, email, or directly call us. So this is our company, Henan Jinri Food Engineering Company. The subsidiary company of Doing Holdings is a comprehensive tuber starch and flour processing equipment manufacturing integrating technological design, research and development, machine production, sales, and after-sales service with together. And our company's main business ranges is about cassava starch processing machine, potato, sweet potato processing machine, yam starch processing machine, cassava flour processing machine, and yam flour processing plant, fufu flour processing machine, and Garri processing machine. Just like I said, we started to do the business since 2011. So basically, we got more than 2,000 about our customers, and our equipment have been shipped to more than 90 plus countries. And we do have 50 technical engineers in our team. We provide you guys about the 24 hours technical support. So which means we got more than 1 year's warranty. In this 1 year, if there's anything happen with the equipment, easily contacted with us. We can solve your problems in 24 hours. And we got more than 100,000 the intention of our customers. And we are getting bigger and bigger. And we got more than 20 professional installation team, 20 members in our professional installation team. And for this one, is all about our certificates. Check about it. It's all about our certificates. And this is our WhatsApp number and WeChat number. So if you want to do the business for the Garri, cassava flour, cassava starch, potato, sweet potato starch, you can easily contact with us. Our WhatsApp number and our WeChat number, it is basically the same. +86 135 2661 5783. And welcome you guys to our factory to have a visit and the Garri processing machine of prototype. And our office, it is basically in Jincheng Times Square, Zhengzhou, Henan, China. The factory address the crossing of Xinye Road and Heshuo Avenue, Wuzhi Country, Jiaozuo, Henan, and China. So if you do want to know more information for our companies, directly contact with us immediately without no hesitation. We can provide you guys about all of the equipments. All right. Since we have already done with this one, let's start to showing you guys about the videos for the Garri processing line. If you do have any questions, you can just easily put your question in the comment. Let me know. No matter for this 3D video or for the real pictures, real videos from our provided clients, you can just say it in the comments. All right. This one is it is about the workshop for the Garri processing line. You guys can check about the equipments. It is a really high efficiency one, and for our equipments, we do have different capacities according to your needs, from 1 ton per hour to 100 tons per hour. We all have in stock. So no matter how many SKUs of the raw materials do you have, we can provide you guys about the equipment. First one, check about it here. It is our feeding hopper. So basically, we will directly, by using the truck to put all of the raw materials get into this machine. So at the bottom, there is a vibration device. Check about it. It will keep vibrating and to put all of the raw material get on this belt conveyor in a regular speed to make this whole processing line going in as our wish. And then it is our belt conveyor. The friction is large enough. And the first equipment over here is about our dry sieve. So for this dry sieve, inside of the equipment, there are so many of the helix design. It is adopted there. And so when all of the material get into this machine, it will rotate with the dry sieve. And during this time, it will remove about the impurities like the leaves, like the plastics, like those big impurities you can basically see through by your own eye, or like the grass. Check about this is how does it work. If you are just want to have a small capacities of the processing line, you can also done by using the labors, saving about the machine's cost. But if you do want to set a large scale of the Garri processing line, this one it is most necessary one to remove the impurities. I mean, after you have already produced the equipment about the Garri, so you can also remove the impurities one more time, but it is getting difficult. It is getting more difficult. So you better to remove most of the impurities in the front part. I mean, in the washing part, in the cleaning part, so that you can save your time, save your energy to obtain more high efficient, high quality of the Garris. And then it is about our washing equipment, which this one is called paddle washer. I'm sure you guys check about the video that over here. It's about 2-slot machine, but for this one, it is not like the certain. It is not always the 2-slot. I mean, according to your needs, we can make it into a single slot or triple slot or multi-slot according to your needs to prolong the washing process, so that we can make sure all of the raw material is getting fully washed by using the paddle washer. And the most important thing for this one, it is adopt counter current washing principle, by which means the water's flow direction is totally against to the raw material's flow direction. It is against its way, just like this. And inside of the paddle washer, there are bottom net and also stone sink design. It is at the bottom. So after this whole system shut down, we can easily clean for these machines. It is special made for cassava tubers. As for potato and sweet potatoes, we got different machines provide you guys. Hey, welcome Nikki. How are you? This is Oliver. Oh my god. This is Oliver. How are you? If this is your first time coming here, we can provide you guys about the equipment for cassavas, potato, sweet potato. Oh my god. Are you still here? Yeah. If you do have any questions, directly put your question in the comment. I am still waiting for you guys for the comment. Hold a second, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just do the screenshot, which it is so literally funny. Oh my god. Alright, let me go a little bit earlier for the equipment. Yeah, after by washing the raw materials by using the paddle washer, then the material will get into the cassava peeling machine over here. Just like this, the peeling machine. I mean, for this machine, we do have different capacities. If you want to know, there are 3 types of the equipments, like 1 ton per hour, 2 ton per hour, and 5 tons per hour. And according to the materials, it can be made into contact material, stainless, and all stainless steel. Welcome to the live stream, ladies and gentlemen. If you do have any questions, directly put your question in the comment to let me know. And the skin of cassava, it is hard, and the inside it is fragile. So there are 2 layers of the skin. The front, the first brown skin is very thin and easy to remove, but it has always been a problem to fully remove the second hard cuticle without damaging the inside. Our company developed the cassava peeling machine, adopt the sand roller peeling machine to peel off the hard cuticles of cassava one by one, without damaging the inside and the surface of the processed cassava. It is smooth and beautiful, so with less loose. It is mainly used in epitomes and the subcutaneous cuticle of cassava raw materials to remove. This equipment, it is widely used in raw material peeling treatment of cassava products such as Garri production line, cassava slice processing, small cassava flour processing. Yeah, welcome ladies and gentlemen. If there's anything, like I can do for help, just easily put your question in the comment. I'm waiting for more of the questions. And the friction between the material and the stand roller, I mean, the peeling is clean and slow, and the peeling rate can reach more than 95%. The stand roller peeling can peel off the cassava epidermis and the second layer of skins in one piece. So the surface of the material after peeling it is smoother and the degree of material loose it is really low. So it works with a spray heater during the working process. And during the peeling process, it is cleaned while peeling. So the water emery cloth has the better peeling effect if there's water. And the spray water, it is also continuous on the emery roller and the cassava raw materials for washing. On the one hand, it can wash about the dregs attached to the water sandpaper and maintain its friction so that the peeling of cassava can be continuous good. And on the other hand, the cassava it is rinsed so that the peeled cassava can directly enter the subsequent processing. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. And a dregs collection device is designed at the bottom of the equipment. I'm sure you guys have already seen that. Let me show you about the dregs. Yeah, that is over here. A dregs collection device is designed at the bottom of the equipment to avoid the splashing of residues and sweat. It is recommended to dig a drainage system on the ground to keep the workshop clean. The peeling machine is equipped with a 4-stage motor and a reducer. The speed of the 4-stage motor is generally about 1,500 runs in 1 minute. Considering about the slip rate, the actual operation is about 1,450 runs in 1 minute. So a reducer is required to reduce the speed. And the speed of the sand roller and the screw auger can be adjusted. The speed of the sand roller is adjusted by the frequency converter, and the screw auger is adjusted by the stepless speed regulation handwheel above the feeding port of the peeling machine. I mean, when the cassava raw materials have more soil, when it is in time, you can properly adjust the speed of the sand roller and slow down the speed of the auger to ensure that the raw material achieves an ideal peeling effect, and vice versa. In the market, I mean, there are 4 types of peeling machine on the market. The first one is about the emery rolling roller peeling, which is more suitable for cassava process due to its high peeling rate. And the second one is about stainless steel brush peeling, which is also our design a few years ago. The final test, a machine peeling effect, it is just normal on an average level. And the steel wire falls off seriously, which is easy to damage. And what's more, it is easy to get stabbed on the top of cassava. The finished product of cassava processing is used for food. Once steel wires are mixed into the subsequent processing, it is also very extremely dangerous. And the third type, it is plastic brush roller peeling, which is more suitable for potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, and other thin skin materials. And the disadvantage, it is easy to get transformation. I mean, the fourth, it is about the nail roll design. The nailing roll is easy to separate cassava and cassava skin into one piece, and the loss, it is extremely large. So we are not suggested you guys to get that one. And as for the wearing parts for this peeling machine, our emery roll is designed with a round roll wrapped with the emery paper. It is only needs to change the sandpaper after long-term operation, instead of replacing the entire roll, which reduces about the cost. And when the peeling machine works normally, it runs 24 hours a day, and the sandpaper needs to be replaced every 2 months. And when changing the sandpaper, it is mainly the middle roller. It depends on the actual situation, and it is not necessary to replace all of them. The baffles on both sides of the equipment have a special design, which is convenient for changing rolls. And as for the water consumption, it depends on the condition of the materials. If the material is dirty, you will use more water, of course, and if it is clean, you will use less. Generally, it's about 1 to 1.5 tons of water per hour, and the spray water pipe is equipped with a bow valve which can control the water volume according to the opening size of the valve. This is our peeling machine. If you guys want to know more detailed information, or if you want to do the Garri business, potato starch, sweet potato starch, cassava starch business, just easily put something in the comment to let me know that. And the next one is about our crusher. Let me just post it here to show you guys more detailed information about our crusher. It is used to crush cassava tubers, and the particle size of the crush material it is relatively large, which can retain the original flavor of the cassava, and is widely used in Garri processing or other cassava processing industry that do not require high crushing particle size. And the equipment structure mainly includes liquor rollers, tooth shafts, adjustment plates, racks, transmissions, and motors. And the pinroll of the liquor roller is made of 65 high magnetic steel, driven by the high-speed rotating rotor, and the surface of the liquor roller contacts and plines the material to achieve the purpose of crushing the material. There are two toothed shafts on the side of the liquor roller as material feeding device, which can assist feeding. The crushing degree and feeding amount of the material can be adjusted through the side adjustment plates. The larger the gap, the larger the particle size, and the higher the processing capacity, and vice versa. The adjustment plate is made of food-grade nylon 66, which is clean and hygienic. The equipment recommends the power input of motor, and the transmission adopts the combination of belt, sprocket, and gear, which can not only meet the needs of a high-speed movement of the feeding roller, but also meet the working conditions of the low-speed feeding roller. It has a good convenience, and according to the needs of our customers, it can also be driven by a single-cylinder diesel engine, which meet the needs of customers who want to move conveniently. This is our crusher. And as for the accessories, we do have the bearings, sprockets, drive belts, and there's one more thing that I want to make it as a supplement about the transmission belt is generally replaced as a whole instead of one or two of them. And the purpose of this is to keep the tightness of the belt consistent and avoid serious belt wear due to the inconsistent tightness. If you guys want to know more information for this machine about the crusher, just let me know. And this one is about our type 1 inside of this video, but we have already updated about the machines. So if you guys interested for this one, put your WhatsApp number or your email address in the comment, let me know, and our assistant will contact with you right away. After this crusher, we will do the fermentation. Normally, we will do the fermentation for 2 to 3 days, but it depends on the real situations about the fermentation. So this is our fermentation place. Normally, it's about 2 to 3 days, but you can, according to your real situations, to adjust about its time. And the next one is about our hydraulic presser. The structure is composed with the hydraulic station, hydraulic disc, cylinder, barrel, control cabinet, pressure gauge, and the working principle is more like the motor rotates to drive the output of a hydraulic oil, and the output direction of the hydraulic oil is controlled by the solenoid valve, thereby to drive the oil cylinder to reciprocate back and forth, and the hydraulic plate goes up and down together to realize the extrusion and dehydration of the material. And the hydraulic oil in the hydraulic station, it is recyclable, so there is no need to add or replace them. Can you see? And there's something I'd like to make you guys know more for this one. Let me just pause it here. Compared with the cylinder, the oil cylinder can generate great pressure. The maximum can reach 50 tons, and the pressure it is really stable, and the pressure holding capacity is relatively strong. The dehydration of cassava material can achieve a lower moisture content of 38% to 40%, thereby reducing the subsequent frying. Energy consumption during the frying process, like the slideway design on both sides of the bottom, is convenient for pushing and pulling the barrel, and it is easy to put in or take out materials. The operation is relatively simple and easy to use, and it is also equipped with commercially available standard casters, which is convenient for our customer to replace and maintain. There is a tray for collecting starch water at the bottom of the barrel. When the material is extracted and dehydrated, it will not be directly discharged on the ground. It will be collected by the tray. On the one hand, it will ensure the cleanness of the workshop floor, and on the other hand, it will also collect pressure starch slurry dry to obtain the pure typical starch. Considering that the finished product of cassava processing is for people to eat, the overall material of this equipment is made of food grade 304 stainless steel. Do not worry about its quality. It do have no harm to human's body. And as for the accessory for this one, its commonly used accessories include O-rings, solenoid valve coils, which are shipped together with the equipment and are equipped with the detailed operation manuals to ensure that the customers can replace them by themselves. This is our machines. I'm not sure, do you guys interested about these machines or not? If you do, let me know. And then next, we will transport our garris by using the screw conveyor. If you want our machines, you can contact by using the telephone or WhatsApp number, which is +86, that is China's zone, 135-2661-5783. If you do want to know more detailed information or our provides clients, our provides projects, easily say something in the comment. And this one, it is our Garri fryer. The work is used for the processing of Garri, which is divided into steering system and heating system. The agitating system of the steering system is driven by the motor, and the heating system can adopt electric heating, electronic gas fuel, or the fuel oil. You can choose it according to your needs. And the steering method of the frying pan is eccentric steering, and the steering shaft is divided into a large shaft and small shaft. The large shaft revolves around the center of the pot body, and the small shaft rotates on its own. There is no dead angle in the steering, and the material is heated sufficiently and evenly to prevent the phenomenon of sticking. The blade of the steering shaft is made of food-grade nylon 66 material, which is resistant to high temperature, and the blade can be turned over, and the angle it is more flexible, which is convenient for fully stirring the material and making it evenly heated. And the heating part adopt the form of electric heating or fuel gas heating conduction oil, which had the advantages of large heating area and high thermal efficiency. There is a special observation port on the frying pan heated by fuel and gas, which can observe the combustion status of the fuel, which is convenient for monitoring. What is the most important thing for this Garri fryer? Let me show you about the work for the fryer. You guys can see over here, the work with electronic heating method has a interlayer. Wait a second, it is over here. The work with the electric heating method has an interlayer, which contains the conduction oil. Heat transfer oil is a kind of special oil with better thermal stability, used for indirect heat transfer, and it has uniform heating, accurate temperature control. It can generate a high temperature and low vapor pressure. It has good heat transfer effect, saving a lot of energy, convenient transportation and operation. The frying pan adopts the advanced sealing structure to ensure that the heat transfer oil will not leak, and the operation it is safe. And the spontaneous ignition point of the heat transfer oil, it is higher than 100 degrees. Even if there's a heat transfer oil leaks due to improper operation, it will not cause a fire accident. On the other hand, the design of the sealing structure also ensure the cleanliness of the transmission part and the pot body, and the quality of the finished product, it is really good. The amount of heat transfer oil is estimated to be about 50 liters, and the heat transfer oil models are 320, 350, and 360. The higher the number, the higher the temperature resistance, and the heat transfer oil can be recycled. There is a special oil filling port on the frying pan. Fill the heat transfer oil from the oil filling port. Unit overflow from the overflow port, or fill quantitatively. And after the heat transfer oil filling is completed, you can close the ball valve at the overflow port. And the work adopts stabilized frequency conversion speed regulation to adjust the speed and the power. And the operation, it is more stable. Turn on the power switch, set the control temperature, turn on the heating control switch to start heating. And then you can add materials to start production after reaching the set temperature. Steering speed and the heating temperature can be set through the control panel, which is easy to operate and high in work efficiency. The whole frying pan is made of 304 food grade stainless steel, and the thickness of the bottom of the pan, it is like 4 millimeters, which is more durable. And the frying pan is designed to be tideable, which solve the problems of difficult material discharge. The rack and pinning structure drive the pot body to turn over with a large transmission ratio. The pot body can be titled to any angle without effort, which is convenient for discharging. To reduce labor force and improve the production efficiency, it can also be designed as the automatic discharge system controlled by cylinders according to your needs without manual operation. And the work is composed of a pot body, frame body, a steering system, heating system, speed adjusting transmission device, a steering shaft, and a pot body turning system. It has reasonable compact structure, convenient installation, simple operation, and easy maintenance. If you guys want to know more information for this machine, the fryer, say something in the comments. We can send you our real feedback from our provides customers, so that you guys can know more detailed information about that. After frying, all of the Garris will get to this belt conveyor to screw conveyor again to the next part, which is about our vibrating screen. And for the vibrating screen, it is suitable for sieving and filtering materials such as like the particles and powders during cassava product processing. Is mainly used of cassava flour and Garri particle sieving according to the thickness or particle size. It is required by customers for finished product. And in the Garri processing process, 2 layers of rotary vibrating screens it is used inside. And the first layer of sieve, it is a large particle material, and the second layer of sieve, it is the finished product. Some also use multiple layers depending on your needs. And after the Garri is fried and cooled, it is poured into the rotary vibrating sieve. By adjusting the amplitude of the vibrating motor of the rotary vibrating screen, the trajectory of the material on the screen is changed, and the material smaller than the aperture of the screen surface falls off the lower layer through the sieve hole and becomes the underside. The material larger than the aperture of the screen surface is discharged from the discharge port, and after continuous jumping movement. The direction of discharge port can be adjusted arbitrarily, and the coarse and fine materials are automatically discharged, and the screening is finally completed. Screening thickness can be adjusted according to customers' requirements in the process of Garri processing. Generally, 20 mesh to 40 mesh is enough, and the screen can be used for a long time. And it is really convenient to change the mesh. It only takes like 3 to 5 minutes. You can done it. and simple operation, easy cleaning, site maintenance cost and time. In addition, the sealing device of the rotary vibrating screen adopts a stainless steel silica gel pad. There is a cleaning blocks and elastic balls in the rotary vibrating screen. So the screen it is not easy to block and the powder does not fly, and the workshop it is clean and tidy. That is basically how we obtain about the Garris. I'm not sure do you guys have any questions or not. If you do, directly put something in the comment and our live stream will be end after 17, around 15 minutes later. So you guys cherish the chance to ask questions over here, or if you can just add our WhatsApp number that I have already pinned in the comments. This is Oliver from Henan Jinrui Company. Henan Jinrui Food Engineering Company, the subsidiary company of the Doing Holdings, is a comprehensive starch and flour processing equipment, manufacturing, integrating technological design, research and development, machine production, sales and after-sales service. As for the business scope, all types of production line and single equipment including about the cassava starch processing machine, cassava sweet, cassava starch processing machine, yam starch processing machine, cassava flour processing machine, yam flour processing machine, fufu flour processing machine, and Garri processing machine. If you guys do have any questions, directly put it in the comments. And this is our belt conveyor, and I have already fully introduced about this peeling machine. Alright, let's start from the beginning and show you guys about the things about our page. You guys can see this is us, Henan Jinrui Doing Company, and we do have all of the machine. It is produced by ourselves. For the Garri processing line, large-scale Garri processing machines, about the 3D videos I have already introduced to you guys. This is the cassava tubers. You can easily make it into the Garris by using our machine. And that is the 3D videos. We do have the professional R&D team. So this is about the whole processing line. This is a Garri, large-scale Garri processing machine mainly adopts advanced Garri processing technology to help people process cassava into Garri quickly and efficiently. And we do have different options according to your needs. Like option 1, for a small-scale Garri production line, you can check about the background over here. This is our first one. We do have the peeling machine. As for the washer, for the sieve, you can easily done it by using humans, by using workers. It is also a good choice. But if you do have a large scale, you do need about that machine, which we will discuss about that later. So first, for the simple version one, you can purchase one of this peeler, and you can get one of the grater, get the hydraulic press, and get the fryer, and get the vibration sieve, and then get one of the packaging machine, or we can just call it like a packer. And also, finally, you will get these Garris. And then it's about large-scale Garri production line. First, you have to obtain about the raw materials, cassava tubers, and then we do have the dry sieve to remove the big impurity that you can basically see by your own eyes. And you can using the paddle washer, the peeler, the crusher, and the hydraulic presser, and also for the hammer crusher, Garri fryer, vibration sieve, and also for one of the packer, you can also get the Garris. By the way, our engineers team can give you a customized design according to your needs. So if you need our special made processing line, just easily say something in the comment to let me know that. And the above options are just a few of the common hot options In addition to Henan Jinri company can customize different type of high quality Garri production line, plan according to customers' needs. Please leave a message or call us to tell us about your specific needs and get the latest free quotations. And this is our project cases. Project cases. Check it out. This is the dry side. And this one is about our pillar and about our vibration sieve. Our company, it is basically located in Henan province, China, but our overseas office, which is in Nigeria, if you guys want to have a visit, you guys are so welcomed. And for the cassava starch and cassava flour processing plant, you can check about here. It's all about our project. And our equipment have been shipped to all over the world. This is our project cases, and this is the project that we had. I believe this one it is in Nigeria and South East Asia areas. And this is another factory. It is all used our equipment. For this one, it is about the cassava starch processing line. We can also provide you that. And the capacity, it is really big, really large, from 1 ton per hour to 100 tons per day. We all have the equipment. So if you guys want to know more details, type in the comment. Yeah, our contact number, I have already put in the comment area. So this is our company, Henan Jinri Food and Engineering Company. The subsidiary company of Henan Doing Company is a comprehensive tuber starch and flour processing equipment manufacturer integrating technological design, research and development, machine production, sales and after-sales service with together. And the company's main business range is about cassava starch processing machine, sweet potato starch processing machine, yam starch processing machine, cassava flour processing machine, yam flour processing plant, fufu flour processing machine, and Garri processing machines. And check about this one, our 24/7 service. We already do have more than 2,000 plus customers. And we have already exporting our equipment more than 90 plus countries. And for the engineers team, we do have more than 50 plus technical engineers, and we do have more than 20 professional installation team, 20 members in the professional installation team. We do have more than 100,000 of the intention of our customers. And we can provide you guys about the technical support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So if you guys want to know more detailed information for our company or for our processing line, easily put it in the comment to let us know. We can definitely show more. And next, let's check about the certificate. This is about our certificate that we obtained during these 13 years. About QMS certificate of registration, the certificate of quality management system, and the verified and SGS and the certificate of compliance. We all have it. And this is our company, Henan Doing Holdings, Henan Jinri Food Engineering Company, and this is our WhatsApp number, +86 135 2661 and 5783. You guys are so welcome to our factory, have a visit. No matter for the Garri processing machine prototype, and our office address is here, Jincheng Times Square, Zhengzhou, Henan, China. And our factory, it is based in Henan province also, but it is located in Jiaozuo. So if you guys do have any questions, directly put it in the comment to let me fully understand about your needs so that I can give you more details about our processing line. If there's no further question, I believe this live stream will be end after 7 minutes later. So I do wish you guys do have more questions so that I can show more details about our company, about our processing line, or about every details over here. Welcome to the live stream, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing? If this is your first time coming here, subscribe this channel and leave something in the comments. If there's no further question, I believe that will be all for today's live stream. Wish you guys can have a really wonderful Saturday, even though I'm still working here. Yeah, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, cherish about the moment, because 1 month later I will be out of here forever. So yeah, if you guys do have anything you want to ask over here for our equipments, just cherish about the moment. So let me do the calculation. Maybe I will do 8 times, probably 8 times, because basically I will do 2 of the live stream on YouTube twice a week, and we got more than 4 weeks to go. Yeah, I will do the live stream 8 times over here. That will be all. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, cherish about the moment. I will be gone forever. Alright, so we still have 5 minutes to go. How about let me show you another thing for our company. Alright, another thing. Let me find it out. Let me find it out. Where is it? Oh, this is the one. This is the one. Where is the other one? Yeah, it is here. All right. Check about this one, ladies and gentlemen. This is our complete Garri production line, which I have already mentioned for several of the times. Yeah, we got high degree of automation. Oh, easy handling, test available, cost effective. And this is Cassava dry side paddle washer, Cassava peeling, Cassava grater. Fermentation for 2 to 3 days. We will do the hydraulic press, hammer crusher, Garri flyer vibration side packer, and we will get the Garris. So this is the dry side. You have stable or rotating speed of inner spiral to remove the debris and ensure the cassava will not be damaged. And then we got the paddle washing machine, counter current washing method to achieve a better washing effect. And then it is a peeler, high peeling rate, saving water, compact structure, easy to operate and maintain. And then it's about the Garri fryer, stainless steel material, long service life, control the temperature automatically, eccentric steering. If you want to know more, just contact with us, alright? This is Oliver from Hanjin Holdings, and this is our Garri fryer. Stir it more evenly. This is our new version 1 and old version 1. This is like old version 1. This is new version 1. And then we got the cassava grater. And this is the old version one, and this is the new version one. Old version vs new version. It is portable and has small footprint. And this one, it is our pillar. Before, over here it's the pillar, and over here is a wood stack cassavas. And then the hydraulic presser, it is fully stainless steel. This is the old versions, and this is the new versions. And this is our provice cases, which I have already shown you that. And this is also the provice cases. Our equipment have already shipped to more than 40 countries, which I have already said it for several of the times. It's all about our projects. So yeah. And also we can provide you about the other machines manufacturing, about the cassava starch processing line, cassava flour processing line. We can all provide you that. And yeah, this is what we do. Pre-sale service, we can provide you with the factory production workshop, one-to-one equipment configuration plan the equipment placement site, and you can check about the production conditions of the machines, and communicate the progresses of equipment manufacturing. And as for the after sales, 1 year warranty, which I have already mentioned it, guide equipment installation and commissions and technical trainings, we can all provide you. And this is our overseas warehouse and office in Nigeria. We do have the technical guidance, pick up the goods directly, project installations. Yeah, contact with. This is our factories. All right. If there's no further questions, that will be all for today's live stream, and wish you guys have a really wonderful Saturday. Have fun. This is Oliver, and I will see you guys next time. Yeah, bye bye.